Hi, I'm Jamie, and today I'll show you how to create your own macrame gemstone wrap. You'll need scissors, macrame cord, a metal clasp, a ruler, and a small gemstone or crystal. First, cut 2 4-foot pieces of cord and 1 7-foot piece. Take your 2 4-foot pieces and feed them through the metal clasp evenly. Then take the 7-foot piece and tuck it under the strings on the clasp. Weave the ends into a half square knot to act as a base for the rest of the weaving. Continue making half square knots to make a spiral pattern. Once you do about 2 inches of knots, separate the cords into 2s to start a net for the gemstone. To start the net, tie an overhand knot neatly on one set of strings. Keep all 3 knots even in length. The next step is to secure the gem inside the wrap. Tie the right string from the first cord and the left string from the third cord using the overhand knot. Make more of the same knot using alternating strings. When your gem is snug in its net, the next step is to tie everything together. Secure the gem by tying all the strings in an overhand knot. Trim any excess strings to your preferred length. And that's it! Your macrame gemstone wrap is done. Show off your design by attaching it to your keys, hanging it off a backpack or your purse, or using it as decor in your car.